Trade Confident family, how is everyone doing? My name is Jake, and I'm here to bring you your daily crypto insight. Guys, we're about to enter $10,000 on this next move down. We have a specific set of signals that we're going to be watching for that, if they play out as expected, could trigger one of the most bullish patterns you can possibly get in the cryptocurrency space. In fact, this could be the last major entry opportunity before the real bull market starts. Stay to the end and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. With that, we're going to jump into the analysis, starting with the Bitcoin metrics here on the tradeconfident.io website. First up, the Bitcoin Emotional Index reached to the top of neutral here. Most often, it's not until we push into excited territory that we're seeing those drops down, but neutral was where we hit. At this point, as the price drops, it'll drop the emotional sentiment, and as we drop into anxious and even fearful, most often, this is where you're going to see moves back up in the market. This is one of the signals that we may be using to find our next entry. Next up, we need to follow what whales are doing into the market. And as we view the live charts for this, you're going to see there's still a lot of short trade sentiment amongst whales. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if whales begin shorting, which as you're going to see on the live charts, they actively are, we're going to see drops in price. As long as whales continue shorting, this drop is likely to continue. But if you begin seeing bars towards the long trade sentiment side, this could be a potential bottom. Another great way to find bottoms for the next move up here in Bitcoin. Next up, I want to take you down to the Bitcoin dollar cost average entry and exit options. As the price drops, we will be looking for bars to the downside. Gray bars are awesome, but if we get a green bar, most often this is going to signal pretty significant moves up in the market, and we need to be watching, ready for these green bars to post. Last but not least is going to be the Bitcoin support and resistance levels. As the price drops, we have major structure support right around the $60,771 level. Now we do have a descending support structure right here that we need to pay attention to. I'll show you more of an exact price line on the live chart, so stay tuned for just a minute here. We'll get to that. But $60,000 or $60,700, that is going to be a pretty accurate price. As this plays out, you're going to want to pay very close attention to the live metrics for Bitcoin. And by live, I mean they're literally available 24/7. Our members get access to the Bitcoin metrics along with metrics across all 40 coins on our website. Couple of announcements real quick. 179 wins, 0 losses as of Monday morning. Guys, we have a brand new Inner Circle live Zoom hangout coming this Thursday. I'm talking tomorrow, April 25th. We're going to be getting on live with our members on a Zoom call to do some coaching and Q&A. There are some new trade setups that you're going to want to check out. Tons of signals that our members need to pay attention to on the Morning Brew overview today. Lots of data that is crucial for your trades. And of course, our weekly coaching videos and the future forecast. This is actually where we're going to announce the next entry of about $10,000. So stay tuned for that. I'll show you how to access all of this and more later in this video. But for now, let's dive into the analysis. In yesterday's video, we talked about this ascending resistance line in Bitcoin and how we felt we were going to reject it and what that rejection would mean for Ethereum and the rest of the crypto market. Well, guys, we are actively rejecting this structure resistance as we speak. Whale money is moving out of the market, as I showed you earlier. Whales are shorting, selling out of the market, and of course, this is dropping the price. Now, we are very close to whale money flow low. This is the first part of the bullish trifecta that we're looking for in order to enter that $10,000. The second part, we want to see trades in favor low, and I want to show you guys how crazy accurate this is. Anytime we see a drop into the long trade zone on this indicator, the trades in favor here is where we're seeing significant moves up. Combine that with a buy signal, as you can see on multiple occasions, and price versus whale money flow low, this is where you're seeing insane moves. But no indicator is more accurate for this in Bitcoin right now than the trades in favor. Check it out. Every single drop, ones that weren't even caught by the other indicators, we're caught with the trades in favor dropping into the long trade zone. It is insanely accurate. This is why we're relying on the trades in favor right now and why we're waiting until we see a drop into the long trade zone before we enter with that $10,000. Now, of course, we are going to be relying on the other indicators too. Trades in favor should be confirmed at this point with whale money low. It's already a given. It's already happened. Whale money low with trades in favor low is highly bullish. And if we get a buy signal as the price drops, this is where we're going to be looking for a potential entry. In fact, again, it may be one of the last entries you'll get. With that in mind, we want to make sure we do not miss this. We're going to be setting an alert for Bitcoin. We're watching on the daily time frame here, and we're going to switch this alert to the trades in favor. We're going to set it to watch for pump once per bar close, and we're going to name it Bitcoin 1 day watch for pump. Click create, and this alert right here is going to let you know as soon as we cross into the long trade zone. Of course, we're going to be watching this on a daily basis too. Watching this like a hawk, we cannot afford to miss what this signal means. With that in mind, I want to show you the support structure that we're actively watching for this drop. It is going to sit right here. Let's drag it backwards too. This is a major descending support structure. And as the price drops, I'm going to grab a horizontal line just to make it a little easier to see. But we have a horizontal support sitting right around the $59,200 level. This is right where we are going to be looking for a bounce off of the structure support and a move up. Now, those with the keen eye may recognize where I'm going at this point. We're going to hide this line because I think it's especially important that we watch for, where'd it go? Trend line. From a top resistance to the next resistance, you're going to notice the current structure of Bitcoin is creating a descending channel pattern, but it's not just a descending channel. If we go from that top and go to the bottom down here, you're going to notice that this right here is a bull flag. And this is one of the most bullish patterns you can possibly get in the crypto space. And as we drop here, this would form the third touch of support. And most often, this is where you're going to see a break to the upside, at least to resistance. But again, this touch to resistance would be the third touch, where most often we're going to see significant breakouts to the upside. This is why it is crucial and why we are entering about $10,000 if the price drops to this level and we get a drop into the long trade zone on the trades in favor, especially because we will have whale money low showing that whales are oversold and likely to buy back in. And especially guys, if we get a buy signal to form the bullish trifecta at the third touch of a bull flag. Guys, it doesn't get much more bullish than this, and this is why we are relying on these indicators, using this alert, watching the charts like a hawk to ensure that we are able to enter our next $10,000 trade for Bitcoin. We've been asked repeatedly, when should we go all in on Bitcoin? And this right here could be a fantastic potential opportunity to do so. Now, of course, we may see some volatility from there. No one really knows exactly what's going to happen in the crypto market, and none of this is financial advice. But I want to let you know this is where we're likely to enter about $10,000. And once we do, the second we enter that $10,000, our members are going to know as we post it in the future forecast videos. April 23rd, we talked about this drop that's actively playing now. Take heed of this altcoin data now. Bitcoin in a bubble and about to crash to 10K. Here's my take. We're going to talk about bullish and bearish scenarios in this video. You don't want to miss that. Guys, you do not want to miss this entry. I know I sound like a broken record right now, but it is crucial. Set those alerts. Watch these charts as closely as you can. And I want to help you get these indicators so you can catch this next move down for a $550 discount. Check this out. Links are in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more, and to maximize your discount, we're going to snag a membership first, and that's because members get significant discounts on our indicators. On top of that, for $65 a month, you're going to get access to those coaching videos. You're going to know as soon as we buy into the market. You're going to get access to metrics across 40 coins on our website, all trade setups where we're currently 179 wins, 0 losses, access to the live Zoom coaching session happening tomorrow for our members, and many more benefits. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and once you have your membership for that discount, click the indicator link. It's going to be the first one. It'll bring you to the Pro Indicator Pack. Members get $150 off. Access the coupon code here, click Pro Indicator Pack, go ahead and scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the live Zoom meeting coming tomorrow. Don't miss it.